I moved to the United States at the age of 14. Witnessing the healthcare inequalities during my childhood in Nepal inspired me to go back and lead this project. I went to a government school in the rural area, and I took a team with me. We were able to provide over 700 students free eye service. Children were not able to see properly, and they would kind of copy from their classmates' homework rather than looking at the board and focusing. So after the screening, we discovered that 80 students out of 700 students needed eyeglasses, and we were able to provide them all eyeglasses at free of cost. From the project, I wanted to advance my understanding of global healthcare challenges abroad. I wanted to see what people were facing in a developing country like Nepal. It was sad to see that these children were having difficulty learning because of their eye conditions, and it was surprising that there were more students who needed eye care than I expected. The Center for Integrated Learning is just amazing, and it administers ambassadorship. They have a team of really amazing people who helped me throughout the way. The ambassadorship project was sort of a stepping stone to what I want to do in the future and pursue as a career. Many people believe that one person can't make a difference, but after this ambassadorship, I realized that I could and did make a difference in the lives of so many children and families. I'm incredibly grateful for the opportunity that Geneseo has given me to be able to go back to my home country and lead this project. It's a dream come true.